Hello all, my name is S. Jawahar Reddy. I am from Information Technology branch from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College. So today my topic is about flashpoint and fire points of lubricant. So I will show you all the apparatus and what is meant by flashpoint and fire point. So let's dive into today's concept. So what is meant by flashpoint? The flashpoint of a volatile material is the lowest temperature at which it can vaporize to form an ignitable mixture in air. Measuring a flashpoint requires an ignition source so that we can check the whether the uh, source is ignitable or not. So at the flash point, the vapor may cease to burn when the source of ignition is removed. So the flash point of a volatile material is the lowest temperature at which it can vaporize to form an ignitable mixture in air. Measuring a flash point requires an ignition source. We need an ignition source. At the flash point, the vapor may cease to burn when the source of ignition is removed. This is all about flashpoint. Now let's see what is about fire point. So what is fire point? The fire point of a fuel is the temperature at which vapor produced by that given fuel will continue to burn for at least 5 seconds after ignition of open flame. After igniting, it should burn at least for 5 seconds. At the flash point open temperature, a substance will ignite briefly, but vapor might not be produced at a rate to sustain the fire. So the fire point of a fuel is a temperature at which vapor produced by the given fuel will continue to burn for at least 5 seconds after ignition of open flame. At the flash point, open temperature, a substance will ignite briefly, but vapor might not be produced at a rate to sustain the fire. So this is the apparatus, pensky martens apparatus. So I will show you what is it in further slides. This is how it looks like. So specifications of Pensky-Martin's apparatus. Its application range is up to 405 degrees Celsius. Ignition is gas and electric. Heating and steering according to the method you need. Cooling, built-in forced air. It has a built-in forced air, so if we need cooling, we can. Safety, overheat protection, automatic shut-off, fire extinguishing system, password. It has password and fire extinguishing system so that if there are any flames coming up, it extinguishes the fire, and automatic shut-off so that overheat can be prevented and anyone don't hurt. Dimensions of the Pensky-Martins apparatus are 230 mm into 410 mm into 460 mm with a width of 230 mm, diameter of 410 mm and height of 460 mm. It is in cylindrical shape. So weight of the Pensky Martins apparatus is 14 kg. It is 14 kg. And the power supply used for Pensky Martins apparatus is 115 by 230 volts and with a frequency 50 or 60 hertz and 1000-watt power. So Pensky Martin apparatus in diagrammatical representation. So this is what Pensky Martin apparatus. This is Pensky Martin's apparatus. So here, this is an opening in Pensky Martin's apparatus. This is the Pensky Martin apparatus. So burner for test flame. This is a burner for test flame. This is a pilot burner. This is a pilot burner. This is a thermometer used to check this temperature. This is a stirrer used to stir the ingredients. Used to stir the chemicals in it. And this is a shutter control, and this is the oil level to see the oil level. This is a stirrer blade which is connected to the stirrer, and this is oil cup. Say, so this is a burner. Determination. The flash and fire are most commonly determined Pensky martens apparatus, which is essentially consists of oil cup. It consists of a cup of brass which is about 5 centimeter deep and 5.5 centimeter in diameter. As shown in this previous slide, the lid of cup is provided with 4 openings of standard size, one of which is used for thermometer, second for a stirrer having 2 blades, third is for introducing test flame, and fourth is for admission of air. The level to which oil is to be filled is marked inside the cup. Second apparatus in Pensky martens is shutter. It is provided at the top of cup. By moving the shutter opening, the lid opens and flame is dripped into this opening, thereby bringing the flame over the oil surface. Flame exposure device is also present in Pensky Martin's apparatus. It is a small flame connected to the shutter by a lever mechanism. It is a small flame connected to the shutters by a lever mechanism, and it also contains air bath to the left side. Oil cup is supported by its flange over an air bath, which is heated electrically or a gas burner, as shown in that specs of Pensky Martin's apparatus. It has electrically or gas heated. Pilot. It also contains pilot burner. When test flame is introduced in the opening, it gets extinguished. But when the flame is returned to its original position, it is automatically lightened by the pilot burner. So let's see working. Oil cup and other parts of the apparatus re-cleaned thoroughly. The oil sample is filled up to mark in the oil cup, and it is then covered and positioned properly in the stove, which is an Pensky Martin apparatus. The thermometer is inserted in the sample. The apparatus is inserted homogeneously through the air bath by the burner. Stirrer is worked with the rate of 2 revolutions per second. Heating is regulated so as to increase the oil temperature by about 5 degrees Fahrenheit per minute. At every 2 degrees Fahrenheit rise of temperature, test flame is introduced for a moment by the help of shutter. When a distinct flash appears inside the cup, the temperature reading on the thermometer is the flash point. The procedure is continued as before until the oil vapor catches fire, which stays at least for 5 seconds. This is a fire point. This is a fire point of the oil sample. This is all about flash point and fire point of lubricants, and how to find a flash point and fire point, and about Pensky Martin apparatus. Thank you.